Soldier boa in the oh, want me crack the want me roll, want me crack the soldier boa in the sweet man. I want you. Today, I'm going to be making celery juice. I don't make it every single day, but I do have spurts of time that I might drink it every day for like 7 days or once every couple days. And I just think it helps digestion. What you're going to need is 2 stalks of celery. I'm using 250 milliliters of water and a sieve. I don't normally use a sieve, I just drink it straight, but use a sieve. And 250 milliliters of water should get you about this much celery juice. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my blender and start blending. I'm gonna fill it up with water till about, what do I want to do today? 250 milliliters. Done, and this is the result. To be honest, it might be an acquired taste. Normally I just drink it with the pulp, but this is pretty nice. I have not tried this, but I reckon you could add, what could you add to make it taste better? I reckon you can try honey. I guess honey is like a natural ingredient, provided that you actually use natural honey rather than synthetic honey. Sweeteners, I'm not too sure. But if you do find it hard to drink, I say add the same amount of celery with less water, just so that you drink it quicker. And like, there's a trick with holding your nose and drinking it. I think that's what I started off doing, holding my nose. But then now I've just gotten used to it, so. I'm pretty sure there are other benefits of drinking celery juice. I just don't have it all, but from my research, it's mainly anti-inflammatory properties, reduces bloating. It does have some level of fiber in it, so it's great for, yeah. Other things: anti-inflammatory, anti-bloating, fiber. I don't know, some people have said it helps cholesterol, heart disease. I don't know about that, but let's Google. Okay, so yeah, I didn't make it up. So it sparks weight loss, balances out your blood sugar levels, maintains a healthy cholesterol level, it boosts your immune system, reduces the risk of heart disease and type 2 diabetes. It's more of like a, from what I've understood, it's more of like a colon cleanse and like a full system cleanse. So like when people do cleanses or like juicing, what they aspire to do is to cleanse the systems of their body. And now your body has different systems. You have your cardiovascular system, so that can be like your valves and everything. And then you have endocrine systems, like your kidneys, livers, like pancreas, like just to help functioning of like secretions throughout your body. And then you have your gastrointestinal system, which is made up of your colon, your small intestines, your large intestines, like your esophagus, anything that the body passes through. I'm pretty sure there are other systems. You know how they say that you should drink water to like flush out your body? It's basically adding the benefits of fruits and vegetables into water. Ooh. Yeah, I can say I do understand what people mean when they say that it does taste a bit off and it does taste like a bit bitter. Just because now that I haven't had it in a while and I've drank it, I can't describe the taste. It's more like, you know, that taste you associate with like raw, with onions, not like the taste of onions itself, but just the effects it has on the back of your tongue. It does the same thing, like it tastes like water, then towards the end as it like goes down, you register the bitter taste, and then there is like an aftertaste, like a lingering aftertaste. So yeah, I guess it's completely understandable, but if you want to reap the benefits of the juice, definitely taste it. I can say taste it once. If you don't like it, then yeah. Before I end the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.